Hello everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 8 of the one and done palette focus of the one and only Huetopian Dream. The last tutorial, I totally forgot what I did. Oh yeah, I used this one, with the Blitz Extreme, I think is what it's called. That combination was absolutely riveting. So today I actually want to dive into a little bit more of getting these hues more predominant. I guess that's what I'm trying to say, because it's Utopian Dream. Like I said, these two really changes the whole color story of the palette. I mean, if you take these out, very, very warm, very typical, very Pat McGrath, but you bring these in, it's going to shift. It's going to shift things up, which I am excited about. So let me go ahead and prep my eyes with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer, and we shall get right into this tutorial. All right, so the eyes are prepped, and I think for the most part they are twins. So without further ado, I think we are going to go ahead and go into the skin show first, to go ahead and get a little bit of brow bone action going on. All of her skin shows, Skin Show Nude, Skin Show Ecstasy, Skin Show, these are beautiful as highlighters as well on the face. I mean, even if you scrape some out and add it to the foundation or the primer, then you have an all over glow. That will be another video. Perfect. So we already have that on. Let me get my brows done. And I am actually going to go into Shockwave with a blush brush and just go and start to add that for the crease, basically, with the Pat McGrath blush brush. There's nothing on here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Would you just look. And Shockwave will definitely be the blush, and I do think the Skin Show will also be the highlighter for the rest of the look. Perfect. Just really get it in there. Now, for the base of this look, we're gonna go into, just love it all, Cosmic Bloom. I mean, how can you not love this? Oh my god. It's like such a beautiful cranberry type of color. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is just exquisite. It is the moment. It is the moment for right meow. And for foundation today, I'm going to use LM14 still, even though I am losing my color badly. I mean, I think I'm going to go to LM14 pretty soon, but not just yet. Not just yet. And we just pack it on until we want it to be packed on, basically. Awesome. Yeah, this is, like, as of right now, today's October 17th. And this is kind of reminding me of the holiday collection, the big face and eye eyeshadow palette, the Bejeweled Temptation. It kind of reminds me of one of those shades in there. But anywho, now let us go into, let's see how this really changes. Oh, look at that. Oh, my word. That just changed the game of this Utopian Dream palette. Oh my god. Like, this is just exquisite. Oh my word. So with these type of shades, these type of textures, with Pat McGrath, with any other brand out there, I always do eyes for y'all. This is just, I mean, you could even use this as a highlighter. Oh my god. Okay. This is where that hue of the Huetopian Dream really comes into play. And I mean, how can you not love this? This is it. This is the moment. This is the reason why. It's moments like these from palettes. I remember why I bought it and why I love it so much. So, oh my god, this is just blending everything out. And that is just such a beautiful shift. Oh my gosh. Bruh. This on top of Purple Rain. Ooh. Ooh. Now I'm gonna dip into, is this Extreme Mahogany? I forgot. Dipping into this shade basically. And literally just focusing on the outer V with this. And just build it up to the intensity you want. And that is basically it. Like I said, this always gives me like really big Coachella vibes, so I really want to deepen. I want to like use black or something, but it's a spring, summery type of palette, so I'm going to keep it at that. Using a liner brush just to really intensify it. Just only on the outer V of the eye, because I want this to be the ooh. What you doing to me, Pat? All right, well, let me go and add it up to the intensity I want, some lashes, and then we'll see where we want to lashes, mascara, because that shit is expensive. See you guys in a moment. I mean, how can you not love this? That is such a beautiful curation of hues, to be quite honest. So I cleaned up the bottom of the eye because I just want the drama to be on top. And for some reason, the Extreme Plum Noir, I think this is, like, it really added some depth to this look for some reason. Whereas as opposed to the other ones, it kind of like, it was kind of there. But this really amped it up. This is actually really reminded me of the Splendor Bejeweled Temptation palette, which is more of the darker tones. Because it has that, was it Amethyst Noir, or that Noir, Ruby Noir purple shade in it, which reminds me of it. And then I think Garnet, something Garnet, which has like, almost like a cranberry type of thing. Like, it really reminds me of this. But also, I have the Bordeaux Bliss, and there's also this one in there, which it kind of reminds me of, which is called the Cosmic Garnet. So, I mean, everything's starting to look the same. I need to stop buying makeup. But besides that, this is beautiful. This is very beautiful. Like, I truly understand and see where the hues of the Huetopian Dream is really coming in from. But yeah, let me go do the rest of my face and we will see the final look in one moment. So this is the final look, tutorial number 8 of the Huetopian Dream palette focus. So there's no bronzer on. Yeah, say hello to the twins. And I just use more of the blush. Blush is actually Shockwave mixed with the Divine Blush Duo Venusian Sunrise, and I just focused this for more of the blush. Actually, this is such a beautiful, I don't know, it's very warm-ish, in the sense that it just really amplifies that shockwave undertone. So highlighter is the Skin Show Nude from this palette. So let me go and turn off the ring light. So this is natural lighting. LM14 for bronzer, LM14 for concealer and foundation. Lips are going to be the Ultra Care 639 from Dior mixed with the Pat McGrath Opulence Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar. Mwah. So yeah, this is real life. Set with the airbrush flawless setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. But yeah, this is real life right now. Bring that down just a smidge. But yeah, tutorial number 8. This is such a beautiful palette. Like I said, we are getting more into the Anastasia Beverly Hills, just to add a little bit more moisture to this. Yeah, the hues in this palette is actually very, very beautiful. Like, I think I might do Purple Rain with this on top, because I feel like it's really gonna bring out that blue undertone into Purple Rain, kind of like a smoky look. I think I need to do that eventually soon. But yeah, 8 tutorials so far, 8 different looks from this palette. You could really create a lot more of a, I did a very bronzy moment with this palette so far, which was very beautiful, which was with these two, and I think that we could electrify it with just a Cosmic Bloom and that all over. Yeah. I mean, it's a very versatile palette, which I love, but like I said, for me, it really leans more towards spring and summer with these type of the astral shades to put on top. But even during holiday, if you need a little bit of color, why not? Amp it up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoying this series. Definitely a few more tutorials to come along with this palette, but yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying. Like, this is very who is she? That's what it's giving me. Love you guys. As usual, to see the final edits of this look, go to my Instagram page, and I will see you guys next tutorial.